Hi there. You're welcome to my bot. I built this bot on Python, the Telegram bot. I'm just gonna walk you through. All right, so I'm gonna say hi. My bot says it's good, or I can just say hi with a capital letter. All right, it says all right, I'm ATO bot. What can I do for you? What if I want to say howdy? All right, it says good. What if I say how are you? Okay, thanks for asking. It says it's fine. I need help. I need a lawyer. Okay, it's asking how would you like us to help you? A case. I need help with a case. I need help with a case. Okay. About says okay. First of all, then I want to find out who is a lawyer, you know. Okay, what did you say? Who is a barrister? Okay, all right. All right, that being let's see who is barista. Okay, that's fine. Let's go on again. Who is a barista? Question mark. So you can see here why we had the error there. All right, so that's fine. Okay, okay. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna say please. Uh before this, let's do this. Let's say what's your name? Okay. How can I contact you again? Oh, the same way I reached out before. All right. Okay. Um, thanks a lot. All right, it says don't mention. Okay, so I'm gonna say please book book me a session. Okay, so all right. All right, this is a session with our lawyer. Cool. I'm not a lawyer. All right, so I'm gonna say thank you. Yeah, happy, yeah. So bye. So that's how the ball works.